Say goodbye to boring bowls and plates of noodles and say hello to this flavorful packed noodles that you are absolutely going to love. Noodles is one of those things that gives you a lot to work with and so little to work with at the same time. And if you know me, you know that I love my noodles packed with orishi, and that is what I'm going to show you how to do today. It is so easy. Let's just dive right into it. First things first, I have my chicken breast here. Go ahead and cut your chicken however you want to cut it. You can cut it into strips if you want. Whatever you want to do is fine, but just make sure that there is chicken. I feel like it just adds a little bit of zhuzh to this. Now I'm going to season my chicken with a little bit of onion, black pepper, paprika, just basic seasons here and there. I'm going to drop the full ingredient list and their quantities in the description box, so please check it out. We are not marinating anything here because I also want to make sure that this recipe is really quick. Into a pot, I'm going to add some chili oil. I have a recipe for this chili oil on my YouTube short, so you want to check that out. Add a little bit of chili oil to that, and then you want to add the already seasoned chicken. All you want to do now is stir until your chicken is cooked. This of course is not going to take a lot of time. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that I always say this in any video that I have chicken breast. This thing does not take a lot of time to cook, so you want to be really fast. Into that pot, I'm going to add some onion and some cabbage. I said cabbage, yes, you heard right. I'm also going to add a little bit of carrots to this. Actually, you can add more vegetables if you want, but if you want to have the same thing I just did here, then just use the same vegetables that I have used. While that is cooking, we're going to add our noodles to another pot, so a pot of boiling water actually, and then boil until our noodles is done. I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce to this and some oyster sauce to this. I'm adding oyster sauce because I just love a little bit of like color in my noodles, so if you don't want the color, the extra addition, you don't have to add that. Now stir that, combine, add the seasoning from the noodles, and then you want to stir again. It's important that you're cooking this on medium to low heat. Don't overcook and don't cook on high heat, or else it's going to burn. We're not trying to burn anything here. And you want your noodles to have this very maybe not necessarily watery look, but just it doesn't look dry. I think that's just what we're looking for here. Your noodles should not look dry, at least this particular one. Now we're going to add our already cooked noodles and some spring onions. If you also notice, I'm cutting my vegetables like a little bit bigger than I typically would. I just wanted it here, so you can always do things the way you like. Now stir that, combine. While we are here, in case it's the first time you hear my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this every week. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs sometimes. If you subscribe to my channel, you're never going to lack content. And that is it, you guys. Your noodles is ready. In less than 20 minutes, your noodles is ready. Beautiful, tasty, delicious, and it is not boring. That is what is important, you guys. Please click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video.